Crown Technical Systems is a manufacturing company that is located here in Fontana, California. We design, engineer, and manufacture power distribution equipment that supports the electrical grid across the United States. Our three main product lines include prefabricated steel enclosures, relay control panels, and arc-resistant switchgear. The three main characteristics that we look for in new hires is a positive attitude with a willingness to learn. We designed a training area that is designed to help new hires gain a full understanding of the job. The technical skills that we focus on are the ability to read and interpret engineering blueprints, wiring diagrams, basic understanding of math skills, and the shop tools, so hand tools, power tools, tape measures, and wire crimpers. Certificate of completion from a technical vocation program such as the electrical technology program that's offered by SJVC is a huge plus, especially if employees are awarded the opportunity to travel to site installation for our projects. The level of professionalism for graduates, from their attire to how they're dressed for the interview, for their preparation for the interview itself. They have their portfolios with their resumes, their certificates that they have, as well as their awards. New hires are excited to join an environment that takes pride in what we do here at Crown or in a workforce in general. And although we want instant gratification as far as compensation goes, it's imperative that we understand, or that our new hires understand, the work that it takes to grow into a career. We do the best here we can do at Crown to express that it's about being a part of something much greater than yourself or simply collecting a paycheck. We hire continuity testers or point-to-point who is responsible for testing electrical systems and equipment to detect faulty wiring. Building wiremen who are responsible for installing electrical components and wiring for enclosure buildings. And also we hire SJVC graduates for electrical test technicians who complete electrical testing products during the manufacturing process based on established test procedures.